Hello everyone, myself Tanushree, studying first PU Commerce in Micah PU College, Mysore. So today I'm going to give a detailed explanation about resources from Resources and Development chapter in Geography of CBSE Class 10 NCERT textbook. So let's start. Resources and Development. This chapter is very much important in geography. It comes up to 5 to 6 marks in CBSE examination. So resources. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable is called as resources. Resources can be classified in the following ways: on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of status of development. On the basis of origin, we have biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fishery, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources, all those things which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources. Example, rocks and metals. On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resource. The resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes are known as renewable or replenishable resources. Example, solar and wind energy, forest, etc. Non-renewable resources. These resources take millions of years in their formation. Some of the resources like metals are recyclable and some like fossil fuels cannot be recycled and get exhausted with their use. On the basis of ownership, individual resource. Resource owned by individuals are called individual resource. These resources cannot be shared or cannot be accessed by someone else. Example, plots, fields and house. Community owned resources. These are resources which are accessible to all the members of the community. Example, public parks, picnic spots, burial grounds, etc. International resources. International resources means the resources which belong to all the countries of the world. Example, seas and oceans. National resources. All the resources which are under control of state or union government are known as national resources. All the resources within the political boundaries are national resources because the government has the power to acquire even private property for public good. On the basis of status of development. Potential resource. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Example, Rajasthan and Gujarat have a huge potential for the development of wind and solar energy, but so far these have not been developed properly. Stock. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings don't have the appropriate technology to access them. Example, water is a compound of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen can be used as a rich source of energy, but we don't have advanced technology to use them. Development resources. Developed resources are the one which is developed and surveyed for utilization and currently in use. Reserves. Reserves are the subset of stock, which can be put into use with the help of the existing technology, but their use has not been started. This can be used for meeting future requirements. Example, river water can be used for generating hydroelectric power, but presently it is utilized only to a limited extent. Thus, the water in the dams, forest, etc. is a reserve which can be used in the future. Thank you.